Hi, in this video, we're going to learn how to use if-else statements inside our programs. Let's get started. As a refresher, an if-else statement is a control structure that can be used to direct our programs when it is met with a decision. If-else statements are extremely helpful in physical computing programs because our devices are constantly receiving information about their environment through sensors, and we can use if-else statements to give them directions based on the values they find. If statements work a bit differently depending on the way we define them. If we define multiple if statements one after another, our program will check each one individually and perform actions based on each condition. If we instead use an if-else structure, our program will check the conditions starting from the top, and once it finds one that is true, it will perform those actions and skip the rest of the statements. To write an if-else statement, we use this syntax. Let's explain this a bit. We start our statement with the if keyword. Inside parentheses, we write a condition. Indented below, inside curly braces, we write the commands to run if the above condition is true. Any additional conditions we have can be written inside else if statements. This means that this condition will only be checked if the above condition evaluates to false. We can add as many conditions as we want this way. Our final statement in an if-else statement is an else block, where no condition is named. This is because this block will only run if all the above conditions have evaluated to false. Note that else if and else blocks are optional. During your next exploration, you'll be using a new component. A button is a simple switch mechanism that is used to control some aspect of a machine or process. Though there are many types of buttons, they all look generally the same. There are 4 connection points on a button, and they can be added to your circuit in either direction. In this lesson, we learned how to use if and if-else statements inside our programs. Now it's your turn to explore these statements in your own Arduino programs.